lead in this best of 5 series. But so far, things not looking good for Tikas, as Kamsur protecting a 14-point lead as we enter the fourth quarter. Thank you for watching us on Aliu 23, on Facebook, on YouTube, as well as on pusopi.com. Ariate with the ball. Masinas from the outside. Air balls that 3. And now the forward pass. That pass too strong. Another turnover. And that's the 23rd turnover of Tikas here in Game 2. Almario with the ball. As we look at the turnovers, there's the confirmation. 23 for Tikas, 13 for Kamsur, and the ball off the foot of Magpantay. Here comes Bragais, a chance at a Blaze 3. And that's a Blaze 3 for Nico Santos. That's a huge one. We only have a few Blaze 3s in this contest. And now Almario with the ball. Draws the double team. Ariate at the foul line outside. Monsalve, long 2, way off. Daniel Gomez. Hands it off to Jenmar Bragais against Verman Magpantay. Wants the ball into the hands of Victoria. Victoria posts up against Monsalve. The scoop shot, too strong. It's going to stay with Tikas. As we have John Abonete now coming back to the ball game. He has 4 fouls. And now he returns. So far, Abonete with 19 points and 9 rebounds. But again, he has 4 fouls. Nico Santos to Lancer Khan. He has been quiet. Scoreless so far in Game 2. Nico Santos fakes a 3. Back to Khan. High arcing 3. It's short. Here's Almario. We have a foul away from the ball. And it looks like Almario got hurt after the call.
Number 4, Lancer Khan is third.
A foul on Lancer Khan. Khan with a foul. And again, a quiet night for Lancer Khan. 0 points, 0 for 7 from the field for Lancer Khan in this ball game. He had 23 in Game 1. Ariate. Abonete is there for the screen. The roll by Abonete. Almario wide open. It's short. Offensive rebound by Kamsur. Fresh 14 for the Express. Ariate. Malyapre with the screen. Ariate draws the double team. Wide open is Eugene. Malyapre knocks down that jumper. Perfectly executed play for the Express. As the second chance points. 25 for Kamsur. And a 1-and-done possession there for Tikas. Magpantay with the ball. And we have a whistle. We have a stoppage of play. Someone got hurt on the Kamsur side. And looks like that's Jerome Almario. So Almario is on the bench right now. And our medical team attending to Jerome Almario. As we resume play with Magpantay inbounding the ball. 13-point lead for the Express here in Game 2. Kamsur looking to tie this series. Before we go to the Bicol region for games 3 and 4. Malyapre against Ganya. Turnaround shot. And a traveling violation. Turnover for Camsur. Tikas trailing by 13. Tikas with the home court advantage here in the finals. They are now on the ropes here in game 2 as Bragais converting on that pull-up jumper. Bragais with 11 points. As we have Malyapre with the ball. Abonete to Ariate. Then on the shot clock. Abonete not looking. Ball recovered by Magpantay and we have a turnover. And we have a foul away from the ball. Malyapre pushing off Lancer Khan. Foul on Vincent Malyapre. With foul on Malyapre, a lot of players from the Camsur side in foul trouble. Abonete with 4 fouls. Now Malyapre with 5. Bragais for 3. And Genmar Bragais now starting to heat up. Lead has been chopped down to 8. The crowd is alive here at the PSU. Abonete against Santos. Tikas wants a stop. Abonete post up. Abonete against Santos. Turns. Abonete the fadeaway shot. Air ball. Rebound. May Magpantay but he loses it. Here's Bragais. Bragais against Malyapre. He attacks. There's a foul. And there's going to be 2 free throws for Genmar Bragais. Bragais gets a breather as we see Bragais nailing down this 3 from the corner. That's his 2nd of the game. And what a time for it to come. Bragais still on the floor, taking time.
It's a mandatory substitution for Genmar Bragais.
Bragais will shoot 2 free throws. There's a discussion at the Tikas bench. Coach Jeff Chan speaking to one of our referees. So look at the numbers of Genmar Bragais. 5 already in this quarter. 14 in the game. 3 rebounds and 3 assists. And in game 1, Bragais only scored 3 and missed all of his 11 shots from the field. And now again Bragais starting to heat up. And I believe there was a mandatory substitution on the part of Genmar Bragais. So now it's Manalang at the line in his place. He converts on the first. Second shot is good for Jasper Manalang. Only a 6-point lead for the Camsur Express. Matos still at the backcourt. Matos attacks, kicks it out. Malyapre, jumper is good, and that's huge for Camsur. And now on the run is Khan. Blaze 3 for Lancer Khan. And finally, Khan is on the board. That's his first field goal. Matos to Malyapre. Wants a screen from Masinas. Malyapre to Matos. 10 on the shot clock. Matos wants a screen from Abonete. Crossover by Matos. Matos to the baseline. The running shot off the mark. And Ganya with the rebound. Gomez at left against Malyapre. Pass to Ganya. Manalang with the ball. On top. Thinking three. Decides to pass to Gomez. 10 on the shot clock. Gomez. Mismatch here. They swing the ball. Santos for three. No go. Abonete crushes down that rebound. Here's Malyapre to the base or to the goal. Wild shot. And now here's Manalang against Malyapre to Santos. Hand off to Can. Can takes this three. Huge three for Lancer Can. And the lead is down to 2 for the Express as Lancer Can has come alive here in Game 2. Watch Lancer Can open from the right side, draining that three. And Tikas Kapampangan has cut the deficit to 2. We have a timeout. Back to the ball game as we see Lancer Can with that blaze three followed by that three from the right wing after being scoreless in the first half. He started 0 for 7 in this game and now since then he is 2 of 2. And now it's just a 2-point lead for Kamsur. A chance of defense from this crowd here at the Pampanga State University. We have a foul on Jasper Manalang.
Fifth foul on Jasper Manalang.
That's the 5th foul on Manalang. And again, Lancer Can quiet all game long. Then all of a sudden, Can making that blaze 3 and then that 3 to cut the lead of Kamsur to 2. Can Kamsur respond? Masinas. Matos with the ball against Gomez. Abonete looking to answer on top. Short on the 3. Long rebound. And Ganya lets the ball sail out. Tikas with a chance to tie. Gomez with the ball. Look at the points this quarter. 14 already for Tikas as Abonete blocks that shot of Gomez. As we look at this play, the rejection by John Abonete.
15 seconds to shoot.
Tikas will reset. Gomez will inbound. They go to Bragais against Sablaon. Posting up. Bragais kicks it out. This is for the lead. And Victoria grabs the miss. Fresh 14 for Tikas. Victoria he is blocked by Abonete. Magpantay. Under 6 minutes to play here in Game 2. Kamsur looking to tie the series. Magpantay against Bragais. 9 on the shot clock. Magpantay still with the ball. Abonete with 5 on the shot clock. Sablaon sees an open lane. Drop pass. Abonete is fouled. They will shoot a pair. And Abonete will troop to the line.
Number 4, Lancer Can.
Sablaon with the open lane. Deciding at the last second to dish it out to Abonete. As we see Coach Jeff Chan on your screen. Abonete now with 19 points, 0 this quarter. And he's hearing it from this crowd here at PSU. Oh for 2 for Abonete. Still a 2-point lead for Camsur. Renzo Victoria against Habonete. Habonete has 4 fouls. Victoria loses the ball. And Coach Jeff Chan unhappy with that turnover. And again, another turnover for Tikas. Ariate calling a fist play for Camsur. Habonete against Victoria. Habonete handoff to Sablaon. 10 on a shot clock. Sablaon attacks Victoria. Wild shot. Habonete offensive rebound. Fresh 14. Sablaon. That 3 is short. And Ganya with the rebound. Tikas dodging a bullet. They are still down by 2. Tikas though coming up empty. Here's Bragais for the lead. Air ball. Victoria offensive rebound. Victoria in trouble. And that's a turnover for Tikas. Ariate against Bragais to Habonete. To the lane. Oh, and a hard fall by Habonete. And they will review this one. Possible flagrant foul.
This is still in the shaded area in front of the respective benches. And no
Habonete is still down on the floor. Habonete took a hit on his drive to the basket. Habonete still down. Possible flagrant foul on Tikas. They will check on the video. Again, Camsur leading by 2. But Tikas Kapampangan on a huge run here. Habonete still down. Referees checking if contact is excessive. Possible flagrant foul on the part of Tikas. So if we just join us, Camsur once led 89-78 early. Or check that, 89-76 early in the fourth. But now, Tikas Kapampangan on a 13-2 run. Led by Lancer Khan, who made a blaze 3 and a 3-point shot. So it is confirmed. Flagrant foul on Reniel Gomez. That will be 2 free throws plus possession as we take a look at this drive by Habonete. And Gomez hits Habonete in the face as he tried to stop the attack of John Habonete. So now Matos will shoot a pair. Plus possession for the Express. Matos calmly sinking that free throw. 7 points already for Mark Matos. What a game for him here in game 2. He knocks down that second.
That was Southern coming in for Medwin Ariate.
Camsur now with a 4-point lead. They have the ball. After that flagrant foul on Reniel Gomez. Matos will inbound. They go to Sablaon. Guarded by Bragais. Sablaon, handoff to Matos. 10 on the shot clock. Matos now being guarded by Santos. Magpantay for 3. It's short. There's a foul. And it's going to be 3 free throws for Verman Magpantay. Foul is on Ganya. This will send Magpantay to the line for 3 free throws.
That is the 15th foul for Ticas Kapampangan.
So look at Berman magpantay's numbers 29. Make it 30. That's his first point of this quarter. Magpantay already with 30 points. 31 now for Magpantay after scoring 21 in the first half. Look at the slow-mo. There's the foul by Ganya as he tried to challenge that three. 3 for 3 for Berman. And a timeout has been called by Ticas. They are down by 7 points to return after this break. And a reminder, the NBL Youth Season 2026 is coming soon. So check our Facebook pages for the announcement. And also coming soon, the WNBL Rising Stars 18 under and 25 under. So watch out for that. Meanwhile, the Governor's Cup Season 2026 is also coming soon. But first, this is the NBL President's Cup Finals Game 2 between Kamsur and Pampanga. We have the Express up by 7 points. Here's Manalang. Kana with the ball on top. This is a long three. And Lancer Khan, another three from way out. That's his second three of this quarter. 96 to 92. Kamsur with the lead. Abonete to Magpantay. 10 on the shot clock. Magpantay. He has 32 points. Ariate nearly losing the leather. Ariate against Khan. 3 on the shot clock. Ariate throws up a prayer. And that's a shot clock violation for Kamsur. A golden opportunity for Ticas. They go to Bragais against Sablaon. Bragais crosses the timeline. Bragais at left against Habonete. Bragais fakes up and under. Pass to Manalang. Manalang with his drive. Kicks it out. Nico Santos from the outside. And it rains the three. That's his fourth three of the game. And it's only a 1-point game. Sablaon, that drive to the basket. Nice defense by Ganya. And here's Khan. A chance for the lead. Bragais with a place three. And Kamsur has called for a timeout as Ticas Kapampangan, thanks to that place three, is now in front. But first, watch this. Khan with that cold-blooded three over Abonete, and then that was followed by another three by Miko Santos, and then crowd erupts as Jenmar Bragais making that place three. We have a timeout. Back to the ball game here at the Pampanga State University. And chance of defense here as Tikas Kapampangan is now up by 2 points after that blaze 3 by Jenmar Bragais. Let's see how Kamsur will respond here amidst this crowd here at the PSU in Bacolor. Abonete against Santos. Abonete with 10 on the shot clock. Matos with the ball. Back to Abonete, 7 to shoot. Abonete, the hook shot is short. The follow-up still won't work. Long rebound, it goes to Sablaon. Fresh 14 for Kamsur. Matos with his drive, kicks it out. Masinas, short on the 3. Rebound by Ganya. Here's Jenmar Bragais with the ball. Escape Sablaon. Bragais now at the right corner. Pampanga on a 9-0 run. Manalang thinking 3. Can for 3. It is short. Ganya tries to tip it in. And there's a foul. Abonete is down. Foul on Bragais. Foul on Ganya, I should say. And Abonete still down. Tikas already in penalty. And this means 2 free throws for Abonete. Coach Jeff Chan on your screen. Potential game-tying free throws for John Abonete. But he looks hurt. Talking about John Abonete. And now Abonete goes back to the bench. He will replace John Abonete and Arriate. Or Arriate will shoot a pair. Abonete in a world of pain right now. And Arriate now at the line. He has to hear this crowd here in Bacolor. Referees discussing things here.
Warning in Tikas Kapampangan for delaying the game.
A delay of game warning for Tikas. And again, Arriate will shoot 2 free throws. With 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining in game 2. Arriate, first free throw. Arriate now with 7 in the game. This is for the tie. Masinas with the offensive rebound and the follow-up. And Kamsur is now in front. Wow, all of a sudden Kamsur back with the lead. Manalang to Ganya. There's a foul. And Magpantay with a foul, challenging that dunk attempt by CJ Ganya. Great effort there by Magpantay to challenge that layup by CJ Ganya. And now Abonete is back in the game. And Ganya will take 2 free throws. Initially, looks like he thought of taking a free 3, but now Ganya will shoot 2 free throws instead. Ganya, the former NBL MVP, he nails the first. Ganya already had a free 3 earlier. And now we are tied. Ganya, look at that numbers. 9 points, 11 rebounds for the former NBL MVP. No go, rebound by Masinas. So we are tied at 99. Kamsur with the ball. Matos against Manalang. Matos still with the leather. Bounce pass to Masinas against Ganya, thinking 3. Masinas still with the ball. Hand up to Sablaon. 5 on the shot clock. Sablaon attacks Ganya, and Ganya with the block. And that's off Sablaon. It's going to be Tikas ball. And now a timeout has been requested by Tikas. They want to map out the play as we see this block by CJ Ganya against Sablaon. And we will take a short break and we will return after this timeout. One minute and 27 seconds left. Here in game 2, we are tied at 99. Tikas with a 1-0 lead in this series. Tikas looking for a 2-0 lead. After this game, Kamsur looking to tie. Ganya sees an opening. He stops. And now here is Manalang against Matos. Kicks it out to Bragais. Bragais for the lead. It is short. Arriate with a rebound. Kamsur with a chance here to take the lead. Matos being bothered by Bragais. Look at that defense. Matos escapes. Arriate with the ball. 10 on the shot clock. Arriate passes it to Habonete. 7 to shoot. Habonete against Santos. Habonete shot is good! Jan Habonete gives Kamsur the lead. Under a minute to play. Tikas with a chance to respond. Bragais the drive to Ganya. Santos can. Ganya fakes. Pass to Manalang. 12 on the shot clock. Manalang throws up a prayer and he will shoot 2 free throws. Jasper Manalang, a chance to tie, but look at this gutsy play by Jan Habonete over Miko Santos. And then on the other side, Manalang able to draw a foul. 2 free throws for Jasper Manalang with 42 seconds left. Pressure-packed free throws for Jasper Manalang. And he has been automatic so far at the foul line. Talking about Jasper Manalang. Second free throw is good. We are tied once again. 1-1 all. Listen to the chance of defense. And Tikas is pressuring right now. Masinas. Double team at the corner. Wild pass to Masinas. Tiptoeing in front of the Kamsur bench. Almost a turnover for Kamsur. Wow. The Express dodging a major bullet here.
18 seconds to shoot.
Arriate will inbound. Habonete with the ball. Pass to Arriate. They go to Habonete again at the post against Victoria. 10 on the shot clock. Habonete against Victoria. Takes this jumper. It does not fall. But Arriate gets the rebound. Fresh 14. Matos for 3. No go. Loose ball. It's with Arriate. Arriate now being pressured. They go to Habonete. Only 14 seconds left on the game clock. We are tied at 101. 4-second differential between the clocks. Arriate against Bragais. And the ball is off Tikas. It's going to be Kamsur ball with only 7 seconds left. Only 3 on the shot clock. They will review this. Wow, what a finish to this game 2. This is a crucial review. Crucial review here. The initial call is Kamsur ball. With a score tied at 101. Referee is double checking. Question is, who touched it last? Our score is 101 to 101. If Kamsur ends up with the possession, they only have 3 seconds on the shot clock. So now 7.7 seconds as we see the slow-mo. And that's off Victoria. Based on that review, and Kamsur has requested for this timeout. We will return shortly. Back to the ball game, and Jenmar Bragais has been crucial for Tikas Kapampangan. 17 points already. He made that Blaze 3 to give Tikas the lead. Bragais also nailing this 3 from the corner. And again, he has been heroic so far for Tikas, but this game is not yet over. 7.7 seconds on the game clock. 3 on the shot clock for Kamsur. They have the ball. They will inbound in front of the Kamsur bench. Ariate will inbound. Ariate, the hero in game 3 of the semis against the Taguig Generals. He will inbound the ball. Ariate looking to trigger the ball in. They go to Sablaon. 2 on the shot clock. Sablaon pulls up. No go. Who gets the rebound? It's with Kamsur. 4 seconds remaining. Pagpantay. Sablaon. 2 seconds. Sablaon for the win! For the win! Sablaon nails the 3. And Kamsur looks like they have tied the series. Sablaon nailing the 3. Silencing the crowd, but let's check. The referees will check if that shot will count. Sablaon knocking down that 3-point shot. We will wait for the official word. Look at the slow-mo. And looks like it got off in time. And that will count. Sablaon, the hero of game 2. But I think the game is not yet over. There is still time remaining. 0.3 on the clock, they say. And Tikas has called for this timeout with Kamsur leading by 3, 104 to 101. We still have 0.3 on the clock. And we will hang on to the air. Wow, what a heroic effort there as we see it again. Sablaon knocking down that 3 to give his team the lead. And again, Kamsur with another huge shot as we look back at the elimination round. This is Miko Santos knocking down the 3 to give Tikas the victory. And that was also at the buzzer for Tikas to beat the shot clock. And again, after that one, it was Jerome Almario And Ariate knocking down that 3 for Kamsur to give them the win. And now we look at this final play, 0.3 on the clock. Kamsur with a 3-point lead. Only 0.3. Bragais will inbound. Ganya for the tie. It does not fall. And Kamsur has tied the series at 1 apiece. Kamsur showing nerves of steel. Kamsur lost a 13-point lead. Tikas was able to grab the lead, and then Sablaon knocking down that huge 3. Another heroic performance for Kamsur Express to tie the series up at 1 apiece before we head to games 3 and 4. What a performance for Sablaon. Gutsy 3-point shot for Rufino Sablaon. And that was his second 3 of the ball game, but what a time for it to come for Kamsur Express. Kamsur tying this series up on the road, beating Tikas Kapampangan here at the Pampanga State University. Again, Kamsur led by as many as 13 points. Tikas was able to come back, even took the lead. And then Sablaon hitting that game winner. What a performance for the entire Express team. Verman Magpantay setting the tone for the Express. Magpantay got the scoring support from John Habonete. And then the final play of the game. As we take a look at the slow-mo, this is only a catch and shoot situation for Tikas. And the ball still in the hands of Ganya with 0.3 on the clock, sending Kamsur to a Game 2 victory here at the Pampanga State University. Again, the Express in their first finals appearance here in the NBL, winning in Game 2. And our best player of the game, Verman Magpantay, 32 points. Again, he set the tone on offense for the Express. He had 21 points in the first half. And he continued that onslaught come the second half with 1-3 and some free throws. But again, a lot of heroes in this ball game. John Habonete as well. And Kamsur fighting off that Tikas Kapampangan comeback to win in Game 2 by the score of 104-101.